Okay, so this is the long division method, which is for year 6. So we're going to divide 5,405 by 23. Before we start the method, the first thing that the children need to think about is making their jottings, which is multiples of 23. So we'll put those over at the side, because they will be useful as we go along. 23, 46, 69, 92, 115, 138, 161, 184, 207. So we're counting up in 23s as we go. Okay, so we'll lay it out like the bus stop method. So we'll go 5,405 divided by 23. So there are 4 steps for part of this calculation, and that requires the children to divide, multiply, subtract and bring down, and we'd encourage the children to write those as a reference. So first and foremost, we can see straight away that 5 divided by 23 is not going to work, so we'll move along to the next one. So now we've got 54 divided by 23. Well, children can check by using their jottings how many times 23 goes into 54. We can see twice, because 3 is going to be too many. So we'd write the 2 above the 4. So that's the division. Now we go to multiply. So we do 2 times 23, which we know by looking at the jottings is 46. And then we go on to the subtraction. So we would do 54 subtract 46, which is 8. And then we go to the bring down. So the next part is we will bring the 0 down, draw an arrow, and place the 0 there. And then we repeat. So now we do 80 divided by 23, go across to the jottings, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 92, which is too big, so we know it's going to be 3. And then we multiply. So 3 multiplied by 23, again checking our jottings, 69. And subtract, as we did before, and we know the difference there is 11. And then finally we bring down the 5. And repeat the 4 steps again. So 115 divided by 23, we can see goes 5 times, there's 115, put in the 5. 5 times 23, we've just shown, is 115. Now we move on to subtract. 115 take away 115 is going to leave us with nothing, which shows us we have no remainder. So our final answer is 235.